Creative homeschooling.
In the previous class, we learned how to add and subtract two or more 1-unit beads. Now, in this class, we are going to learn how to add and subtract a 5-unit bead. Now it gets more interesting, right? Let's do some additions now. For example, 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Let's put this into practice by using an abacus. This example demonstrates how to add a 5-unit bead. In step 1, set the number 2 by moving up two 1-unit beads with the thumb. See that you set 2 on a unit rod. Next, in step 2, move down 5 with the index finger. Now, the answer is 7. Let's look at some more examples now. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Three plus 5 equals to 8. Now, it's your turn. Try to solve each problem in 10 seconds or less. 2 plus 5 equals to Good job! Let's see that again. Four plus 5 equals to Very good. Let's see that again. Let's do some subtractions now. This example demonstrates how to subtract a 5-unit bead. In step 1, set the number 7 by using the butterfly method. Next, in step 2, move up 5 with the index finger. Now the answer is 2. Let's look at some more examples now. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Eight minus 5 equals to 3. Now it's your turn. Try to solve each problem in 10 seconds or less. 6 minus 5 equals to 2. Good job! Let's see that again. Nine minus 5 equals to 2. Very good. Let's see that again. Please try to repeat the exercises as many times as possible in order to improve your abacus operating speed. I have made a free printable for you to practice on your own. You can find the link in the description box below. And from there, you can download the free printable with all exercises and solutions from this class for free. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.